Hello everyone, welcome to the course on Oracle Application Express. My name is Riaz Ahmed. I am an IT professional and I possess more than 30 years of experience in the field of information technology. I have authored over 2 dozen books on different technologies, and out of these, 12 books are written on Oracle Apex. With my publications, I have trained Oracle Apex to thousands of people around the globe. In this course, you will learn how to create low-code web applications rapidly in Oracle Apex. This course is aimed at beginners who wish to learn from self-paced professional guidance and need a solid foundation in Oracle Apex. The primary purpose of this course is to teach you how to use Oracle Apex to realize your own development goals. Each lecture in this course explores the basic area of functionality and delivers the development techniques to achieve that functionality. By the time you reach the end of this course, you will have a clear understanding of Oracle Apex and will be able to extend the application in almost any direction. This course is rolled out to introduce you to the art of building web applications by developing a simple web application. This application is chosen as an example because you can learn most of the techniques from it for your own future work. This is the dashboard of our application. You can drill into details by creating links on charts and text. With a few clicks, you can create these customizable on-screen reports to have a quick glance at the data. You can create links on these report columns and connect them to input forms and other application pages. And you get all these functionalities without writing any code. Using the same data set, you can create multiple views to look at the data with different perspectives. You can download all these on-screen views in different formats, including PDF and Excel with the applied formatting. Create animated charts with drill down and rescaling functionalities. Turn legends on and off to view specific data. Calendar is a very handy tool of Oracle Apex, especially for managing events. Here you will learn how to display data in a calendar with drill down functionality. You will also learn how to create a hierarchical view of related data with the links created to access detailed information. The faceted search page enables users to narrow down the search result by selecting facet values. Narrowing the search result makes it easier for users to find the desired information. You will also set up Oracle Apex locally on your computer with Oracle REST Data Services under Oracle Database 21c Express Edition. This installation will deploy Oracle REST Data Services on Apache Tomcat server. The purpose of this local setup is to create an environment for generating advanced reports using Jasper Report Server and to test application deployment. Advanced reporting is also covered in this course, in which you will integrate Jasper reports with Oracle Apex to generate highly formatted PDF reports. The same application will be accessible from a variety of mobile devices, including latest smartphones and tablets. This was merely a brief intro. The course contains tons of Oracle Apex features that will make you an Apex Pro. So move forward and step into the exciting world of web application development. Thank you.